Okay, now we are looking at what we call fringe benefits. These are extra benefits that are received or rewards that are given to employees as they do their jobs. Yes, we know they are remunerated in the form of a salary, but they also can get other extra benefits. Okay, so examples of our fringe benefits, we have got things like medical aid. Medical aid is a fringe benefit. What is medical aid? It's insurance for the employees to cover medical expenses. The money is placed in a fund every month and deducted from the employees' salaries. Okay, we also have got the pension fund, the pension fund. Okay, or sometimes we can also call it provident fund or provident fund. Okay, what is it that we call this one? Okay, for permanent employees, this is usually a benefit for people who are permanent. Okay, money is placed in a fund every month as an investment for when the employee retires. Okay, then other examples are travel allowances, car allowances, housing allowances, even cell phone allowances. All these are examples of what we call fringe benefits. Okay, all right, so we can even have uniform allowances in those organizations whereby employees are required to wear uniform. Sometimes they can also get free meals at the cafeteria. That can also be another benefit. Okay, and then there are also performance-based incentives, which you call them performance bonuses. And then we also have the unemployment insurance. Of course, that one anyway, it is a compulsory insurance anyway, of which the employer is supposed to contribute a percentage towards the salary of the employee, and the employee also contribute 1%. Okay, fine. All right, so these are examples of fringe benefits. These are some of the examples of fringe benefits that an employer or an organization can actually award or reward the employees. Okay, we'll look at the advantages and the disadvantages of these fringe benefits for the employer and also maybe the employee. Okay, in the examination, a question can also just come whereby they are asking you, give us examples of our fringe benefits, so you can write any of the things that I've indicated on this board. But a question can also come asking you, it can also come asking you about the impacts of fringe benefits to the organization. What are the impacts of fringe benefits to the business? Okay, if you see a question like that, it means it actually requires you to indicate the advantages and the disadvantages of fringe benefits. Okay, so as for now, I'm going to indicate for you the impacts of fringe benefits. Okay, like what I said, we start with the advantages. What are the advantages of fringe benefits? Let's analyze the advantages. I'm going to be explaining them again. The advantages of fringe benefits. Number one, an attractive fringe benefit package may result in higher employee retention. It reduces employee turnover. That coming and going of employees will be reduced. Once people are in the organization, they are willing to stay because they are benefiting from that organization. Okay, number two, it increases employee satisfaction, loyalty, as employees may be willing to go the extra mile. It improves productivity, resulting in higher profitability. So the business benefits a lot. There's a productivity, the people are motivated, they are willing to go an extra mile when it comes to doing their job. Okay, fine. Number three, businesses save money as fringe benefits are tax deductible. Okay, fringe benefits can be used as leverage in salary negotiations. So besides the salary, somebody might actually take a certain job just because of the extra benefit that he or she might have been promised. Okay, so those are the advantages of the fringe benefits to the organization. Let's now also look at the disadvantages. Remember, when I'm doing this, writing the advantages and disadvantages, I'm already indicating the impacts of fringe benefits to the organization, the advantages and the disadvantages. Now let's look at the disadvantages. Fringe benefits are an additional cost that may result in cash flow problems. Money is used. If you look at the examples that I've indicated here, travel allowances, car allowances, housing allowance, cell phone, all this is extra money that the business is going to spend. Okay, so it might cause cash flow problems in the future. Okay, number 2, administrative costs increase as benefits need to be recorded correctly for tax purposes. Number 3, benefits decrease profit. Remember, their costs as incentive or package remunerated costs are higher. Okay. Number 4, it can create conflict or lead to corruption if allocated unfairly. And then number 5, businesses that can offer fringe benefits fail to attract skilled workers. And then the last one that I can give you, errors in benefit plans may lead to costly lawsuits or regulatory fines. So those are some of the disadvantages of fringe benefits for or to the organization. Okay, so like what I was saying, if ever you are going to be asked to evaluate the impact of fringe benefits on the business, you look at the advantages and the disadvantages of those fringe benefits. And these are some of the examples of the fringe benefits. Remember, these are extra rewards on top of the salary that are entitled to employees, and they differ with the employees or with the organization. Okay, that is all that I can say for now when it comes to this topic on the human resource function, even though there are still a lot of other things to be covered. Okay, I want you to like this video or all the videos that you've watched on the human resource function. And if you have got any comment or any query, don't forget to go to this comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.